Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about a date night makeup look. Date nights are so much fun, whether they're with your significant other or with a friend. It's an opportunity to dress up and make yourself feel your best. The amount of confidence boost makeup gives me is unmeasurable. Makeup just brings out a whole new personality and makes me feel like my best self. I am going to show you how I created this look using Maybelline products. Maybelline products are pocket friendly and easily available. Don't we all just love that? Let's begin with this super fun date night tutorial. I'm going to start with the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil. It helps sculpt your eyebrows to give them a naturally defined look. Also has a unique sword tip that helps achieve perfectly defined brows. The dense pulley at the back allows for effortless blending. The Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel is a superstar, has a two-way mini brush to allow for easy application. I cannot do my makeup without this now. It sculpts your brows to give them a full, fluffy, natural look. This smudge-proof, waterproof and transfer-proof product is a breeze to apply and it comes in 4 shades. Time to bring out the Maybelline New York City Mini Palette. I'm going for a shimmery smoky glam today. This palette has a combination of 6 shimmer and matte finish shades. Comes with a mini brush and all these shades are ultra pigmented and super handy. I'm going to start blending the dark matte shade in the outer corners of my eye to give some depth and definition. Topping it off with some shimmer to add a pop of glam. I cannot begin to tell you how amazing makeup makes me feel. It's like art. I'm gonna blend the dark matte shade on my lower lash line for some added smokiness. The Maybelline Tattoo Smoky Pencil has been my go-to recently. It is sweat resistant, does not smudge and completely fade resistant as well. Lasts up to 36 hours and I love how easy the application is. I also use the tool at the back just to smudge all of it and make it look even smokier. Once it sets, it's not going anywhere. Gonna line the eyes with the Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner. It is waterproof and has a one-stroke blackout intensity. The fine precise tip makes application so easy. It is perfect for beginners as well as makeup enthusiasts. Your fierce cat eye is staying with you through day and night. Time to bring out the hero of this look, the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It's waterproof yet has a feather-light formula. The flexi brush makes sure that no lashes are left undefined. I like to give my lashes a good curl, come from the top, make sure all my lashes are coated and then start closing my eyes on the mascara wand. I also like to push my inner lashes inward, my middle lashes up towards my brows and my outer lashes towards my ears. This gives a beautiful full fan effect. I'm also just gonna wiggle the wand on my lower lashes. I love the definition this mascara gives. It is insane the amount of volume and separation you get. Look at the difference between both my eyes. You can also see from the sides how long it makes my lashes look. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick truly is a long wear champion. The precise tip makes application so easy to apply. This range has some highly pigmented no transfer liquid lipstick shades and a flawless matte finish that makes your lips look plump and beautiful. Also, this color is to die for. Just look at that. So this is my look for date night, you guys. Go ahead and have fun with makeup. Go get these products and try them out for yourself. You can recreate my look or try your own main character energy look. Don't forget to tag me in your pictures on social media. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye!